Alright, today's lesson is on the simple sentence, otherwise known as the independent clause. This is Opie the ostrich, right? And in this picture, you see that what is he doing here, right? Look at his legs. Right? He's running, right? So our sentence here says Opie the ostrich ran, right? This S, what do you guys think this means? Well, this is talking about our subject, right? And in this sentence, our subject is this guy, right? Opie the ostrich. If you think about subject, it's basically what or who it is that you want to talk about. On the other hand, this P right here, it's a big word, right? It actually stands for predicate, right? And if you look at this sentence, the predicate is right here, right? It's ran. And if you think about predicate, the main thing that you guys want to focus on and remember is it needs a main verb. Okay? And so in our sentence, our main verb is ran. And what is this doing? Basically, it's telling us what about the subject. So what about the subject is it that you want to say? In this sentence, you want to say that Opie the ostrich ran. Let's take a look at another sentence. Opie the ostrich ran home. In this sentence, what is our subject? Right. It hasn't changed. It's still Opie the ostrich. This is the thing that we want to talk about. What about our predicate? Well, let's take a look. We have ran, it's still there, but now we have home as well. So our verb ran, it's going to stay the same. We still have our verb. And now we have home as well. But still, this is still our predicate. Here's another sentence. Opie the ostrich ran home to hide. Has our subject changed? No, we're still talking about Opie the ostrich. What about our predicate? Well, we still have the same verb ran, but now we have home. This is telling us where. And to hide. What does this tell us? It tells us why, right? But all of these words together are still our predicate. Ran home to hide. Remember, it's just telling us something about Opie the ostrich. Okay, let's look at one final example. Opie the ostrich ran home to hide from Elmira the eagle. In the sentence, you see our good old friend is still standing there looking all innocent and happy, right? He's still our subject. However, the predicate, what we want to say about our subject, has gotten a lot longer, right? Ran home to hide from Elmira the eagle, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have a total of 8 words, right? But guess what? This is still a simple sentence. And the reason why, as you learned in the very beginning, is because of the main verb, right? It has not changed. Over here it did not change. Over here it did not change. And over here it did not change. So these are all still simple sentences, all of them, right? Whether it's 4 words long, whether it's 2 words long, or whether it's 1 word long, the key thing is actually to count this, right? The main verb. This guy right here. This guy right here. Right? This guy right here. And this guy right here. Okay? So just to quickly review, a simple sentence is a subject, as you guys learned. Remember, Opie the ostrich, plus a predicate, right? And a predicate can be really, really long, right? It can be up to 8 words, right? It doesn't really matter. The one thing that does matter, though, is, as we learned, the main verb, which in our sentences, as you guys remember, was ran. Okay? So go ahead and do exercise 1 now.